The first step to changing destiny. Embrace capability. Break free from hopelessness. Many people feel hopeless about life, work, and studies. However, the real reason lies within ourselves, our lack of ability. If we have the capability, we can easily navigate through the challenges of work, life, and learning. What is there to feel hopeless about? To change this situation, we must completely abandon all negative thought patterns, and alter our mindset to break through layers of resistance. We need to change lazy habits, and shed our self-righteous attitude to truly break the cycle of hopelessness. Changing the mindset to face challenges. The feeling of hopelessness in life stems from negative thinking. Learning to think positively, seeing opportunities in problems rather than obstacles, is crucial. Embracing the antidote to laziness. Laziness is the cultivator of hopelessness. Embracing diligence and working hard is the key to breaking free from the shackles of hopelessness. Letting go of self-righteousness. Pursuing progress. Self-righteousness is the enemy of progress. Embrace humility, accept others' opinions, and strive to improve yourself to truly embark on the path to success. Change is not instantaneous, but only by abandoning the mentality of hopelessness, and taking the first step towards progress, can we create our own magnificent story on the stage of life.